Yeah, are you including your audio, James?
Yeah, I'm including my. You want to include your
Guys.
audio for my audio, and then we can all
Include your
include our
audio,
audio together.
Remy.
Can we? You want to
include
audio your include?
Remy.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up.
All
Join
right.
my game, guys.
Welcome to Titanfall.
Join my game.
Welcome to Titanfall 2, a game where we're gonna be pieces of shit. Now watch as we fail, because we all suck at shooters. Especially James.
Shut up.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's really, it is. It's James.
Sometimes.
This game also has
Okay,
lack
Josh,
of
you can't
weapons.
talk.
Because it's made by EA. I mean, it's helped by EA. This was actually
I need to get the
sabotaged by EA. You know, because government conspiracies to... I lost my train of thought.
I wonder
Legit?
why.
No, if you think about it, here's what EA did. They barely marketed the game. They published it, and then they're like, wow, I wonder why no one's buying it. And then they bought it from Respawn. Because they were salty.
Okay then. Yeah. Love frag grenades.
You don't.
Mom, I'm filming, Mom. You gotta yell when you're
I'm
filming.
dead.
Mom. It's all about
Did
enthusiasm.
you guys hear any of that?
Remy,
No, Remy, I
Remy, could
didn't.
you turn? No, Remy. Yeah, keep going that way. Ah! 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 I'm okay.
Why am I using the Mastiff?
Josh.
Because maybe I want to. Oh my god.
I don't like Spitfire anymore. I want to go back to R201.
It scared the shit.
Why am I playing? Why am I playing this?
James, you don't understand what I did at the beginning. I ran past Remy like this, right? James, I did this. I went, ah! Ah! And I killed like 2 people.
Yeah, Mythic Potato 1, 2, 3.
I don't like this game anymore. I'm just gonna.
I don't think we ever did. Josh, chill.
I don't know
Josh,
what's happening.
chill.
I'm a little concerned, Josh.
I killed Ultimate Hunter. He's not so ultimate anymore.
I killed my baby. It's not so cute anymore.
Remy, I want to know your opinion on feminism.
Shut up!
I
and
earned-
stop begging for
I
the
yearn for
manager.
true gender equality.
Shut up and stop begging
that
for the
means
manager.
I can
That's my
hit
opinion on
women.
feminism.
Spider-Man does whatever
He's not a
Spider
spider,
can.
nor is he a man. He's just kind of gay.
I mean, Andrew Garfield is gay.
I might have just stolen a battery. that I'm
technically you're
using
right.
on Titan.
Wait, Andrew Garfield's gay?
Yeah.
What?
Who the fuck's Andrew Garfield?
Aloha! Nah, fam, you're a monkey. Shut up, you primate.
What?
Did you know that everyone
No,
who
I
drinks water
didn't.
dies?
Wow, I'm so surprised. Wow, my life has changed forever because of this fact you have just told me.
Said
okay. No,
I just
no, I
fisted
entirely
a
understand.
robot. By fisted, I mean punched.
Did I just hear you say I just did a robot? Like, you
No,
robot.
I didn't say I just did a robot. I said I just fisted a robot. There's a difference.
Oh, same difference. Oh!
I finally killed Mythic Potato.
No mythic potato. Oh wow, James, you're climbing the leaderboard. Good job. James, you're gonna die.
Ah!
You barely phased out of that one, James.
Don't.
You are an incel.
Chipmunk 21 cents. What? The guy's trying to sell his pet chipmunk over Xbox Live. That's why he made his name that. For 21 cents.
I want to
Who has a
sell
pet chipmunk?
His name's Alvin.
I don't know. I want.
I don't
one,
know.
though.
I think he has his defect. The only thing he can say in human is "kill me," but I don't know. I can't understand him. Like, what does "kill me, please" mean? Is it like Chinese or something? Like, you know, I spend all this money trying to engineer a talking chipmunk, and all I could say is "kill me, please."
Remy, you need to learn Chinese.
Dad!
Could not. Shut up! Mine turned on.
Yeah, what's your percentage on
Come on.
Battlefield 5?
Ah!
Destroy the ship. Just blow it up. Destroy it.
Why are you trying to destroy the ship,
Aw.
James? It's your escape.
Oh. I forgot. Horrifying when you're not in a Titan.
Oh, dude, yeah. I'm like, okay, so he gets taken here. I have time to recuperate, and then just.
Wait, sorry, it's why did they
Nope,
send me
no,
daughters
you realize
when I
then
asked
and there,
for
that's
sons?
the time your
You're
little
the
virgin
saddest
eyes learn
bunch I've
that a
ever
reaper can
met,
walk in
but
human-sized
you can
spaces.
before we're through, mister. I'll make a man out of you. I don't know the song, I'm sorry.
Where's this guy? I'm gonna lick
Can
him.
I kill myself with a grenade by cooking it?
I just saw that on the kill feed. Frag grenade, Tony Dash.
My name is Nissan Chikaranda. Nissan 209. Wow, what an original name. Ah,
Car.
I avenged your death, James.
No!
Jamu-chan.
Hamilton.
Konnichiwa.
The Titanfall universe without a Titan is not the Titanfall universe, it's just fall.
It's just fall.
Oh
don't
my
die.
god, that was
20 bald eagles sewn into a coat.
I want to have 20 bald eagles sewed into a coat. Sounds like...
Remy, you're like the most American person here.
Well, guys, I gotta go.
When I grow up,
This was
I
an
want to
epic
join
game.
the Navy
I
SEAL
accidentally
Corps.
started Forza. I just accidentally started up Forza.
You did it, and we both know that. Okay.
No, I really did. I was trying to get the Twitch and I clicked on Forza.
Oh, this is why your mom doesn't love you. Oh,
Well,
frick,
you know
frick,
why?
frick, frick.
Your mom doesn't love you. Goodbye.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's a long way forward. Trust in me. I'll give them shelter like you've done for